Question 9 of exercise 1.2 multiplying and dividing integer. 9a. The product of two integers is -6. Find all the possible values of two integers. So integer means no decimal. It's a whole number, can be plus, can be minus. So 6, we can write like 1 times 6 is a 6. 2 times 3 is also 6. So if we make combination and we have to find the result, it should be -6. How? Like 1 times -6, it will be -6. 2 times -3, it will be -6, right? And same thing, -1 times 6, it will be -6. And -2 times 3, it will also a -6. So here we get total 4 combination. To get two integer is -6. Once we multiply like this, 9a done. 9b. Here is the product of two integer is 6, right? The product of two integer is 6. Then find all the possible values of the two integer. It's a very interesting things. We already know the combination of 1, 2, 3 and 6, we will get 6. So first one, 1 times 6, it will be 6. Same thing, -1 times -6, it will be also 6. Same, 2 times what? 2 times 3 is a 6. Same thing, -2 times -3 also 6. So number A done. We have to clearly understand the question first. Otherwise, you cannot answer. Number 10. Number 10. Here is a multiplication. -9 times -6 equals to 63. Right, it has division in two different ways. So if 63, it's a number A. If we divide by -7, we will get -9, right? Same thing, 63, if we divide by -9, we will get -7. Okay, so this is the two way. It's a one way and it's a second way. Number 10A done. 10B. 10B, there is a different multiplication of 12 times -7 equals to -84. Right, it has division in two different ways. It's the same thing. Suppose here is a -84. If we divide by 12, we will get what? -7. And second way, -84. If we divide by -7, we will get 12. Right? It's a very simple thing. So number 9, 10 done. We will try to solve two more math in this video. Question 11. Workout. Number A. 42 divide -7. We can write 42 divided 7 is a 6. So we can write it's a -6 because -7 times -6 will be 42. So number A done. Number B, here is a -50 divide -10. So minus divide minus, it will be plus. 50 divide 10, it will be 5. Right? Very simple. Next, number C, 27 divide 3. Not 3 actually, here is a -3. So plus and minus, once we divide or multiply, it will be minus. 27 divide 3, it will be 9. Number D, -52 divide -4. Minus and minus, once we divide, it will be 1. So 52 divide 4 is 13. Number E, 60 divide minus 5. 60 divide 5 is a 12, and plus divide minus, it's a minus. So result is minus 12. So number 11 has done. Number 12. Estimate the answers by rounding numbers to the nearest 10. What is nearest 10? Here is the number 12. Nearest 10, like if we get the result 99, the nearest 10 is 100. If the result is 92, the nearest 10 is 90. Okay, so once it's become the more than 5 or equal 5, we will count next number. So let's see what will be the result of question 12. 12a. Here is a 92 divide minus 28.5. So first of all, plus divide minus, it will be minus. Next, 92 divide 28.5. The result is 3.228. 3.228. This case we can write here is a 3.228. It's not more than 3.5. If 3.5, we can count 4. So this case, the result is minus 3. It should be integer, right? Next one. Next, number B, minus 41 divide minus 18.9. So what can we do? We can do two ways. This 41, we can write like 40. It's the nearest 10, minus 40. Divide. Here is a minus 89.9. The nearest is 19, which is nearest 10 is 20. So result will be minus divide minus, it will be 2, plus 40 divides 20, it's a 2. Let's say actual result. 41 divide 18.9. So result is 2.16. 2.16. The nearest 10 is 2. Okay. So number 12, A and B done. Number C. 83.8 divide minus 116. We can write this one number C. 83.8 divide 11.6. So this one 83, it's a nearest number is like 80. Divide 11.1, the nearest number is 10. Nearest 10 is 10. So our result is, it has any plus minus? Yes, minus. Here is a minus. So it should be minus. So the result is minus 8. Okay. What about if we consider actual? 83.8 divide 11.6. The result is 7.22. 7.22. So here is a minus 7.22. So nearest 10, it will be 7. Okay. So I think you can follow this one. This one also okay. Number D, minus 17 divide 19. Number D, minus 77 divide 19. This one also we can do same thing, like 77, the nearest 10 is minus 80, divide 19, the nearest 10 is 20, right? 20. So this case it's a 20. So our result will be minus 4. So what about our actual? 77 divide 19, it will be 4.05. Minus and minus, it's minus here is a plus, so here is a minus 4.05 and it can be right 4. So number 12 done, and we have completed part 3 of exercise 1.2. We are following Cambridge Lower Secondary Mathematics Workbook 8.